Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, it's just welcome. My name is Annette and I'm obsessed with everything. So over here we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fragrance, sprinkle with a little travel and whatever else I feel like yapping about. So if this is you, darling, please like and subscribe. Come on and join the family. Won't you come? Won't you come? So today's obsession is a wig. Yes, I'm sure you can tell by me wearing this crazy looking stocking cap on my head. But yes, loves, we are doing my first wig review. Yay! So listen, give me some grace, y'all. Cut me some slack. It's my first one, but I'm excited. So if this is something you would like to watch, darlings, let's get into this video. So I have this lovely, lovely box from Love Me Hair. I love their packaging. Love Me Hair. What's up, y'all? So look how pretty the box is. So I'm going to actually unbox this with you guys. So let's see what's here. Let's see, let's see. It's so pretty. And so here is our lovely wig. Oh, we have a clip. Okay. So there's a clip. Okay, we'll put that down for a minute. But we got a lovely purple clip. What else do we have? They always give you some kind of goodies. Some wig caps. You always need those, right? A pretty rat tail comb. An edge brush. A bag to store your wig. A label in case you want to write down the name of a said wig, and a whole lot of information. This is probably how to care for it and thanking you for purchasing it and all of that wonderful stuff that we ladies love. All right, let's get into the wig. I'm so excited. I'm literally unboxing this with you guys, like literally. And there's a clip. Little clip is just kind of stuck. It's like I don't know, it looks like something caught in a spider web. Here we go. Nice sturdy clip for styling. We need those, right? Got the standard. This is like I think this can turn into a wig head. Is that how these work? Okay, maybe not. No, okay. You know, your regular stuffing. Blah, blah, blah. So here is the inside of the wig, the cap construction. Hopefully you can see that. There's two combs in the front. There is a comb in the back. You have an adjustable elastic band here and another adjustable strap here. You know, the regular adjustable straps, darling. Y'all know the ones. That there. So, all right, let's pop this baby on. I'm so excited. I have no idea what she's going to look like. I'm doing this on camera. I can't believe I'm doing this, but why not? Why not? Do it for the people. Okay, it's cute. It's a start. It's a start. Okay, we're starting here. You gotta start from somewhere. Let me adjust her. Get her adjusted. And I'm sure I'll probably run a flat iron through her to just, you know how it is in travel. They get all wrinkled and mashed and smashed and whatever. And then we gotta fix them up. But so far, this is cute. Okay, guys. So this is her initial out of the box. This is how she looks. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go off camera and just flat iron her real quick. And I will come back and let you know my opinions on this gorgeous unit. Okay, loves, I'm back, and this is how she is looking. I think she is super cute. I like it. She has a lot of body. Lots of body. This is how it looks from the side. And this side. And the back. It's like I would say like a yaki, like a silky yaki. I wouldn't say it's 100% yaki. I would say it's like a yaki, but on the silkier side, which I love. I don't like super silky wigs because I feel like they look very fake. So I like a little bit of yaki and the texture, and this is definitely giving that. Look at the lovely texture. It's so pretty. It's shiny. I just ran my flat iron through it really quick, just a few passes all around, including the bang. And I used this wig shine here. My daughter-in-law gave this to me. Shout out to you, my love. And this is a wax stick. So you like smooth it. You take, you open it, of course. It looks like deodorant. And you smooth the flyaways down. And then you flat iron it after that. And I think this came in a beauty box, guys, one of my beauty boxes. So, yeah, so as far as the pros and the cons, first of all, I love this parting space. I feel like this parting space looks so natural and so real. I didn't even do anything to it. I know sometimes we put makeup in the part. I didn't even do that, to match our skin tones, but I didn't have to. So I'm loving that. I love this length. This is so perfect for summer. It's perfect for work. It's very demure. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I really like this length. This is a very nice short length for this hot weather, darlings, that we're having right now, because it is summer. Not quite. As of the recording of this video, what's today? I think today is June 10th or 11th. Not 10th. It's the 10th. It's the 10th. So yeah, so I like it. Pros, like I said, oh, color. Yes, I am loving this color. I love this color combination. This is so, so, so pretty to me. I really only have one con. The bang, I wish the bang had some color. The bang is just straight black. I wish it was a little bit of color. I think it's more like a 1B too. But I wish it was a little tints, just a tints of color in the bang. But other than that, I love it. I love this wig. I think she's super duper cute. You guys tell me what you think. Would you wear her? Do you like Love Me Hair? I love Love Me Hair. I love their wigs because they're reasonable and the quality is good. So yeah, guys, I guess that's going to wrap it up for this beauty here with her cute self. I'm loving her. May even wear her to work today. But yeah, I like it a lot. Again, I like the body, the movement, the texture, the color. I wish there was a teeny bit of color in the bang, but that's okay. We're not gonna let that deter us from wearing her and her pretty, pretty self. So yes, guys, thank you for watching my first wig review, my first unboxing. Yay! So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you already haven't. I think I'm at 94 as of this recording, so still trying to get to 100. Still trying to get to 100. So please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank you once again for watching. Please stay kind. Please stay beautiful. Please stay fabulous. Be good to yourselves and stay obsessed.